Welcome to 110 RC Scale Tales, and as you can see we've got a box on the table there in front of the camera. What's in the box? It's some more diecast, and this time it's a Hot Wheels premium collection. Let's open up the box and have a look. So first out of the box, and it's a Honda Civic EG, and it's part of the 5 car collection Modern Classics, just released. And first off, out of the box is the Honda Civic, looking absolutely fantastic in the blue and yellow racing livery, number 95, Spoon Sports. Great detail at the rear, at the front. Fantastic. Actual packaging, great photograph of the car on the track. So this is number 1 of 5, the Honda Civic EG. Next in the collection is a 98 Toyota Alteza. This is number 2 of 5 of the Modern Classics collection. Very, very nice, very nice. Liking the wheels. Matte grey wheels and the silver metallic body. Great detail at the front with logos and lights. Again at the rear, the license plate showing the name of the car. Now here in the UK, this was sold as a Lexus, but you do see the Toyota Alteza on the road as what we call a Japanese grey import. Very, very nice car. Can't believe it's what, 20-year-old plus now as a vehicle. Very nice. So it's number 2 of 5, the Toyota Alteza. The third one in the Modern Classics collection, 3 of 5, is a Fiat 131 Abarth. Now I remember these as a boy, Fiat Mirafiori. 2-door, 4-door and estate cars and station wagons. It's a lovely model of this very old car. It's 1980s classic Fiat. Great red livery. Loving the wheels, the wide wheels. So the matte brown bronze alloys. Twin headlights at the front with 2 spots. Again, great detail at the rear. And Hot Wheels license plate. I don't know if you can see that. And inside we have a roll cage. So I have to say, out of the 3 so far, this is my favourite. Very, very nice indeed. Looking good. Packaging as well. There on the track. Reminds me of Nürburgring. It could be anywhere, I guess. There we go. What do you think of that one? Very, very cool. Number 4. 4 of 5 of the Modern Classics collection is the Volkswagen Cado VR6. Check that out. Stunning purple metallic livery. Very nice alloys. Cado on the license plate. Again, detail, lights and logos. Great interior. I have to say, the purple paintwork is stunning. Very, very nice. Looking good on the packaging as well. Some city street somewhere. Very, very nice model. I like it a lot. And last in the collection is a 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. So a little two-door sports car. Open top. So nice little interior there. Getting great detail. Color is metallic green. A bit different from what the packaging shows. Very, very nice though. Again, I do like that a lot. And the packaging shows it somewhere in the countryside, somewhere I'm guessing in Japan or possibly in Europe, or possibly even in the United States. It could be anywhere, but it looks really nice. And I have to say, this is a very, very nice collection, which has joined the Hot Wheels Car Culture series. So this is Modern Classics. So number 5 is the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Number 4 is the Volkswagen Cado VR6. Number 3, my favorite, is the Fiat 131 Abarth. Number 2 is the Toyota Alteza. And number 1 is the Honda Civic EG. Fantastic collection of 5 cars. And that's the Hot Wheels Car Culture Modern Classics collection. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please comment, let me know what you think of the cars. I will reply. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe for more diecast videos, more RC videos, remote control videos, and other things that may be of interest. I will look forward to seeing you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. All the best now. Bye bye.